Now I would like to request upon Brother Isa Chishti to come up to the mic and read a couple of couplets as he always does in a specific style.
Assalamu alaikum. I'd like to do a little nod for you. Salli Allah Muhammadin. Salli Allah Muhammadin. Salli Allah Muhammadin. Salli Allah Muhammadin. May peace be upon him. May peace be upon him. He is this world's last prophet. Yes, he's this world's last prophet. He brings peace to your heart. He brings peace to your mind. He brings peace to your soul. He brings love to this world. He is the wasila. Yes, he is this world's last sila. He seals all our hearts. He seals all our hearts. Salli Allah Muhammadin. Salli Allah Muhammadin. He was invited to heaven to get our prayers. Yes, he was invited to heaven to get our prayers. So when you bow your heads, so when you bow your heads, you're invited to heaven too. Yes, you're invited to heaven too. He is our Shafa. He will stand for us. On that great day, he will stand for us. On the Qiyamah, he will say, these are mine. Salli Allah Muhammadin. Salli Allah Muhammadin. May peace be upon him. He still exists right now. Salli Allah Muhammadin. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you, my brother, my sister.
अब मैं गुजारिश करूंगा इब्राहिम अत्तारी जी को तशरीफ लाएं और सरकार की बारगाह में हदीया अकीदत पेश करें। दुरूद पाक पढ़ लीजिए। सल्लल्लाहु
अलैहि या रसूल अल्लाह व सल्लम अलैका या हबीब अल्लाह। तला अल बद्रु अलैना मिन وجب الشكر علينا ما دعا لله داء. Oh, the white moon rose over us from the valley of Wada, and we owe it to show gratefulness where the call is to Allah. أيها المبعوث فينا جئت بالعمر المدى، جئت شارات المدينة، مرحبا يا خير دار. Oh, you who were raised among coming with the word to be obeyed. You have brought to the city nobleness. Welcome best callers to God's way. طلع